create a new page for edit and delete student. To do that, right click the page and insert page after the current page. Now a new page has been added. I am going to change the text of the page. Current tab text. Edit student. Now I am going to copy the heading label, the message label, copy and paste it to the edit student page. Select the label one and change the text. Edit or delete student. Select student registration number. Now we have to create the form. Save the form now. Registration number, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here I am going to place a combo box. To change the color, I am going to style sheet. Select odd color. In the triangle, select background color. Select white. Give OK. Then add font. Font size 12. Give OK. Again OK. Name, gender, date of birth and age. Copy this. Paste. One more text box. Line edit. Style sheet. Background color white and give the font 12. Give OK. Registration number and full name, full name, gender. Copy this label and text box. Press Ctrl and click on both of this label and text box. Now Ctrl C or right click, copy, paste, gender, date of birth, age, paste, paste, full name, gender, select the text, full name, gender, date of birth, age. I'm going to copy this, paste, address, phone number, phone number, email and standard. Address, phone number, standard. Now delete this, text edit, select add color, background color white, font 12, give OK. Now we have designed the form. Now add two buttons, save, copy this button and paste, copy, again paste, select the button and change the text, edit student details, delete student details, next button. Now adjust the form a little bit. I'm selecting all controls. Press the control button and click every controls, everything will be selected. Then little bit higher, then change the buttons, select the buttons and make it a little bit higher. That's all. Save the form. Now we have completed the edit or delete student form. Thank you for watching.